So I just stumbled upon this tool called Zerobyte for backup automation. It's built on Ristic and it sounds pretty powerful.
Really? I've heard of Ristic before, but never knew it could be used like this. What's the main appeal of zerobyte?
Well, it automates backups while encrypting and compressing your data. Imagine getting all that done without constantly worrying about it.
That does sound convenient, but isn't it still in version 0xx? Doesn't that mean it's pretty unstable?
Exactly, it's a bit of a risk, but the developer encourages feedback for improvements. It could be exciting to see how it evolves.
For sure, I just wonder if the bugs might lead to data loss. What's the backup process like?
You can schedule backups with fine-tuned retention policies. It's like setting a reminder but for your data.
That's neat, but how does it handle different storage options? I know people have various preferences.
Good point, it supports NFS, SMB, WebDAV, and local directories, giving users plenty of flexibility.
But what if someone wants to back up to the cloud? Is there support for that?
Absolutely, it can connect to S3 compatible storage, Google Cloud, Azure, and even ArcLoan for a ton of cloud providers.
Wow, that's a lot of options. But I'm curious about the actual installation. Is it complicated?
Not really, it runs through Docker, so if you have Docker and Docker Compose, it's just a matter of running a Docker Compose IML file.
Okay, that's pretty straightforward. But I imagine it can get a bit technical for some users.
Yeah, and there's a warning to not point the data storage to a network share, which could lead to performance issues.
That's an important detail. Have they addressed security concerns about storing passwords or tokens?
Totally, Zerobyte allows using secret references to keep sensitive information secure.
Secret references. That sounds interesting. How do they work?
You can use environment variables or Docker secrets. It makes it safer to manage credentials.
That's clever. But what if someone is new to container technology? Could it be intimidating?
Definitely a learning curve, but once they get the hang of it, the automation benefits are huge.
And I guess it can save time in the long run. But what about restoring data? Is it easy?
Yes, you navigate through the backups and can choose specific snapshots to restore, which is super user-friendly.
That's reassuring. It sounds like they thought through the user experience.
Right, but I wonder if the features will continue to improve over time. It's still early days.
True, and the community feedback could help shape that. I just hope they keep it user-focused.
Yeah, and considering it's open to contributions, more people might jump in to help.
That's an encouraging note. But what about the performance compared to other tools?
That's a question. There's always a trade-off between features and speed, especially with encryption.
Definitely. It'll be interesting to see how it stacks up as more users adopt it.
So many possibilities. What if it evolves to support more protocols or simplifies the setup process?
Now that would be a game changer. More accessibility means potentially wider adoption.
And safer data management for everyone, but can it handle all scenarios someone might need?
That's the challenge. No tool is perfect, but Zerobyte seems to be heading in a good direction.
Right, it's still a lot to process, but I'm excited about where it could lead.
Absolutely. I'd love to see future updates and hopefully fewer bugs in the next versions.
Same here, let's keep an eye on it and maybe try it out once they stabilize it more.
Agreed. This whole discussion has me curious about how many people actually know of Zerobyte.
Me too, it's one of those hidden gems that could really help a lot of users out there.
And I think it's a reminder that open source projects can be powerful when community driven.
Exactly, there's so much potential for innovation when diverse perspectives come together.
Well, this has been a fascinating dive into Zerobyte. It's definitely piqued my interest.
Same, I love how we've explored so many angles and it's left me thinking about data safety.
For sure, I wonder how users are balancing convenience with the need for security and reliability.
That's the big question. It'll be interesting to see how Zerobyte fits into the broader backup landscape.
Definitely, let's keep the conversation going as we learn more. Who knows what's next?
Absolutely, there's always something new to discover in the tech world.